The Bitcoin is on the verge of a breakdown. Is this Adam and Eve pattern going to play out, and are we going to see 16,000 support soon? Or will bulls defend this area, and are we going to see the 23,500 resistance first? Let's dive in and analyze. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from my Crypto Paradise, and let's analyze Bitcoin. First of all, let's just take a quick look at the current news. In our My Crypto Paradise news channel, we just showed you recently that the search results on Google for crypto is that reach new all-time highs. This says a lot about the current sentiment we are at. So people are really scared to invest even though we are at the bottom, and they think the crypto is basically dead and we are going to deep down much deeper. So the sentiment is bearish, but that doesn't mean that we are bottomed out like full time. We can have a local bottom. However, is this the macro bottom we all are waiting for? That's we gonna analyze. Let's take a look what we have reported next. The FTX is reportedly planning to acquire Robinhood. That's very interesting. And then we have Crypto.com removes 15 cryptocurrencies from its earn program, Doge and SHIB inclusive. So if you are on Crypto.com, something to be aware about. Alright, let's jump back to the Bitcoin chart. So as we can see, we have showed you in the previous video, and please guys, really go and check the previous video because this was absolutely phenomenal. We have showed you exactly this level, 21,700. We told you that this is the best level if you are looking for shorts, and look at what happened. We revisit the resistance and then we jumped back down to our support, which is at $20,150, and now we have this kind of little consolidation around our support zone. We can have a double bottom here. However, it can also be an Adam Eve pattern, right? So really, when you are looking at crypto, there is always more ways how to analyze things, so you need to look at the probabilities. The best probability play here was to short, right? So what's happening right now? Right now we are at the support, the sentiment is bearish, people are scared. On 4-hour time frame we are oversold. Now is basically the best time to long actually, even like your emotions don't tell you that, but from the probabilities point of view, it's the best time to short, right? So how can you place your setup? For example, you can open a position right here. This is our breakpoint level, right? So you want to place your stop loss something below this wick, right? So like this, and then you want to ride it to the next major resistance, which is around here, right? So you will be taking profits at the previous highs, something like this. You can take profit at this little support lower time frame area for, or maybe this wouldn't be great risk reward, right? So what we would do actually, once we are back at this, which basically was previous support now turned into resistance, we would just securely move our stop loss here to break even, just to be safe, right? And then we would take first sell target here, second around here, and third at the previous strong resistance, right? So this is the play. 5% loss in 16% gains. You really always need to look at the best probabilities and high risk reward setups only if you want to make it a long term in the crypto market, and you want to end up profitable not only after 1 month of trading but after 3 years. And this is exactly what we are focusing in My Crypto Paradise, only on the long-term goals. So this is something you should have always in mind when approaching not only crypto trading but forex or any other trading and investing as well. So this is from the midterm time frame, but let's dive in at the 1 hour. What we have on 1 hour, we can see that we are a little bit overbought right here. But what is happening? We are just cooling off thanks to the consolidation, so we can start decreasing and we don't even need to drop below this consolidation, right? So on 1 hour time frame, what is also interesting to take a look at is that actually we are trading inside this kind of channel. It's a bullish channel with higher probabilities that we are going to break out, right? You can do it like this, and now we are getting support from this trend line, right? So what should be next is the move to the upside and potential break up, right? This is the play with higher probabilities. The descending channel is actually a bullish pattern, so there is another confirmation that we should not have a confirmed breakdown below this support level. However, if we will, this Adam and Eve pattern is going to play out. And how to play a short position thanks to this Adam and Eve pattern is to understand our breakdown level, which is at 19,500. So if we break down below this level, we will wait for the Bitcoin price to touch this level. We want to see some fake out below it, then a bearish retest, and this is exactly where the Paradise team is going to position themselves. Yeah, once we are here, we will place sell limit orders around this level. We will play a bearish retest, right? We will place our target to the main target, the last target, to our main support zone, and we will place our stop loss above the previous support, right? So something like this, amazing risk reward play, 3.5 versus 19.3. So always there are money to be made in the crypto. You just need to look at the best place possible. You need to be patient with the positions. Don't force it. Wait for the market to show them to you. All right, so this is how to play it level by level. However, from the fundamental reasons, we don't think we're going to break down. We actually think this is just a consolidation which will send us to the highs, to the 23,500. However, if it's not, if it's going to close below this support and we are waiting for the 1 daily candle close below, which is in 5 hours, we are going to break down with a higher probability. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so be safe out there. If you are not in our Paradise Family VIP channel, don't worry, just join the free channels. Check our website, there are the links for our free channels, and stay on the top of the market because we are updating you on the daily basis. All the important analysis are there and you can gain it for free. So take it easy and smooth, and see you next time.